Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to see from class 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.6, question 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So we have already done the first part of it. I have explained to you what we are supposed to do it. In this video, we'll do the second part of the sum. So this is not the proper equation, it is in fraction. So we have to convert the equation first into a simple equations, and then we have to find out the value of x and y. So let's do the second one. So this is our second sum. Equations are there. I'm just going to show you some rough work. So here 2 upon root x can be write, this is 2 upon 1 multiplied by 1 upon root x in expansion form. So when we multiply, 2 into 1 will become 2, 1 into root x will give us root x only. So same way 3 upon root y also can be written like 3 upon 1 into 1 upon root y. So this way can we write this, and then in the place of, if 1 upon root x, if we keep it a, and 1 upon root y, if we keep it b, then this whole thing will become a. So this will become a, this becomes b. So when you are multiplying now, 2 upon 1 into a will give us 2a, and denominator 1 has no value. Same way 3 into b will give us 3b, but then denominator 1 has no value. So this can be written this way. So 2 will remain the same. 2 into a will be 2a. 3 into b will give us 3b. So same thing it is. So 2 upon root x we can write like this in expansion form. In the place of 1 upon x, if we write it a, then we will get 2a, we will get it, because denominator 1 has no value, so we can write it like 2a. So same way this whole thing we keep it as a b, we can write 3b, because this has no value. See, 3 upon 1 into, if you keep it as a b, this will give us 3b only. So can we write this way? So let's write. So let 1 upon root x be a, and 1 upon root y be b. So 1 upon root x will come a, 1 upon root y will become b. So that is the case, we can write the equation now. This first equation will write 2a plus 3b equal to 2. So this becomes our equation 1, and then same way this also will become, so 1 upon root x becomes a, so we will get 4a minus, same 1 upon root x will become b, so we will get 9b equal to minus 1. This becomes equation 2. So now this has become a simple equation. Now we can solve this equation by substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. I am going to show you by cross multiplication method, because here the variable, here nothing is same for eliminating. Here 2a, here 4a, here 3b, here 9b. If you want to eliminate, you have to multiply this equation so that you can make any one variable same. For example, if you want here also 4a, then you have to multiply with the 2 the whole equation, then you will get 4a. Here 4a is there, so you can subtract and eliminate. So I am going for cross multiplication method. So by cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication method, we have to write the equations in another form. So 2a plus 3b, 2 will come inside, so minus 2 equal to 0. So this also will be 4a minus 9b, minus 1 comes inside, will become plus 1 equal to 0. So now what we will do, we have to just write the variables. Under the variables values we have to write. So here we have a and b, so we'll write a upon, so when we have to write a, we will write hide that a part of it and write cross multiply from left to right. So then 3 into 1 will give us 3 minus 9 twos are here also minus, here also minus, minus minus will become plus. So then 9 twos are 18 equal to, now under b we have to write. So b, when we write, we hide b part of it, and then now from this direction to this side. So minus 2 into 4 will give us minus 8, and then 2 into 1 will give us, this minus is a part of the formula in the center, then 1 into 2 will be 2. So now we have to write, in the place of c we have to write 1. So then we hide this part of it, and then this side to this we finish. Now from left to right. So 2 nines are 18 minus, then 4 threes are 12. Once we finish this part of it, now let us write, simplify. So when you minus, we'll get minus 15 equal to b upon, minus, both are minus, so it will become minus, 8 2 will become 10. When both are minus, we have to add them, but the sign remains minus. Then 1 upon 18 minus 12 will give us 6. So now let's compare now. A upon minus 15 equal to 1 upon 6. Same way, b upon minus 10 we have to compare with 1 upon 6. So now let's find out the a value. Minus 15 comes this side, it goes up 6. So this will give us just one mistake here. Whenever you do cross multiplication, you have to take care. When we did this part, 2 nines are 18, but 9 has a minus sign, so it comes here minus. Okay, so that part is missed. So if it is both are minus, then we have to add them, and both are minus, we have to add them. So 18 minus minus we have to add, so sign will remain same, but when we add we get 30. So that means here we will be getting 30, here also we will be getting 30. And this is minus, because we are getting minus 30. Cross multiplication problem is that when you multiply, you have to see the sign properly, both the side you have to see the sign properly. That is only little complication is there, otherwise it is very easy. So now you get minus 30 here. Same way here, b value, this minus 10 will go up, so minus 30 is down. So now when you cancel, minus minus gets cancelled. So 15 one time, 2 times you get, 10 one time, 3 times 30. So you'll get a is equal to 1 upon 2, b equal to 1 upon 3. So now we have let a is what actually? A is 1 upon root 6, b is 1 upon root y. So let's write down a is actually 1 upon root x. So it's equal to 1 upon 2. b is 1 upon root y equal to 1 upon 3. So let's write the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal. So when we write the reciprocal, root x will come up, 1 will come down, root 2 will go down, 1 will come down. So here also root y will come up, 1, 3 will come up, 1 will come down. So now this denominator 1 has no value, so we can write root x equal to 2 and root y equal to 3. Now we don't want root x value, we want x value. So what we will do, square them both the side. Okay, square them both side. So when we square, root x square, 2 square. Here also root y square, 3 square. So root square gets, when square gets cancelled, root gets cancelled. So we'll get x equal to 2 2s are 4. Square goes means root will go. So y equal to 3. Square is 9. So this is our answer. Thank you and God bless you.